A day in my life as a BS Ed third year student.
Tried 45.
Let's dance. Little bitch calling my phone, but I'm with my other.
So, kakagising ko lang and already 2:45 PM and ang pasok namin is 4 pero pupunta ako doon sa school ng 3:45 din siguro kasi magpa-practice kami sa little play namin and magka-cut out kami ng mga newspaper kasi yun ang assignment namin sa first sub. And I'll be back. Mag-get ready with me ako. Ang vlog na to guys is makakasama ko ang aking mga kaklase. Yun lang guys, I'll be back and see you later. Bye!
A few moments later. One eternity later.
Sana kabagag na oh.
Ay, mga ka-jerk.
Oh, Brian. This image shows the front page of the book.
Because there is a great difference from just taking out each. Okay, these activities are.
Town where Madame Claudia and they are well taken for, but in the reality, they.
Kathy, can I have a word?
Oh, yes, Tommy. Oh, have a seat.
I want to tell you about you.
Oh, what's about?
Jessica said about here in Belgium. They're raised just to take her for something. Don't forget my name.
I will never forget you, Tommy.
Titled 1984 by George Orwell. Winston Smith, he is the main character of the novels. And and then Winston.
Brian, would you like to join our organization against government? Oh, sure, why not?
What?
So, although human rights.
Sige, ang pinaka-fresh mo. Kayo, gawa na atay mo sa sigrams.
A few moments later.
Ay, mga daghan itong mga pakapin. That's relevant, so take note. It will address the needs of your students. It is related to the context of your students as well as the competency that you are. The last, it must be something unique. Not just the very basic. So, siguro mo na balik-balik ng items ni ma'am, basic ka kaayo.
A few moments later.
Sige, lagi ka ganan na.
Automatic!
Annyeong. Mauto, ana.
Marcela!
Kami pag manguli nami gikan sa eskwelahan. Kami ra sige maguban. So, that's the end of this vlog, guys. So, yun lang yung ganap ko sa school. Ang SCAD namin, yun lang yun. So, I hope you enjoyed this vlog. See you on my next one. Bye!